time living in correctional facilities, cause some don't agree with how I do this. I get straight and meditate like a Buddhist. I'm dropping flavor, my behavior is hereditary, but my technique is very necessary. Blame it on Ice Cube, because he said it.
M to the A to the S to the K, put the mask on the face just to make it next day. Feds be hawking me, jokers be stalking me. I walk the street and camouflage my identity. My posse in the Brooklyn wear the mask. My crew in the Jersey wear the mask. Stick up kids doing boogie woogie wear the mask.
Yeah, everybody wear the mask.
Yo, I used to work at Burger King, a king taking orders. Punching my clock, now I'm wanted by the manager. Souping me up, saying, you're a good worker. How would you like a quarter raise? Move up to the register. Large in charge, but you gotta be a spy. Come back and tell me who's bagging my fries, getting high on company time. Hell no, sirree. Wrong MC. Why should I be a spy when you're spying me? And you see what you thought you saw but never seen. You missed the last move, checkmate, crown me king. Now I'm fired, sober, now I'm wired. Eyes pitch red, but the beat bop my head hit the streets for relief. I bumped into feds, I got kidnapped, they took me to DC. Had me working underground building missiles for World War III. M to the A to the S to the K, put the mask on my face just to make it next day. Brothers be gaming, ladies be claiming. I walk the street and camouflage my identity. My posse uptown wear the mask. My crew in the Queens wear the mask. Stick up kids with the Tommy Hill wear the mask.
Yeah, everybody wear the mask, but how long will it last?
So no one told you life was gonna be this way. Your job's a joke, you broke. Your love life's the way. It's like you're always stuck in second gear, when it hasn't been your day, your week, your month, or even your year. But I'll be there for you. When the rain starts to fall, I'll be there for you. Like I've been there before. I'll be there for you, 'cause you're there for me too. I'll be there for you. I'll be there for you. I'll be there for you, 'cause you're there for me too.
Remember that April 24th is the deadline to use the link below to register for a choir audition, or simply sign up for an open choir for the 2020-21 school year. Don't miss out on your chance to be part of a great team and build your skill in music next year.
Anyone interested in auditioning for the LOHS dance team? We have 3 team levels and 2 fundamental classes available, so there's lots of space for everyone. Dance audition applications are now available. Go to this link for information. Look for the 2020 dance team audition link in the center of the page.
Our leadership training class, Go Wild, is taking sign-ups for next year. Learn how to develop your character and have a lasting, positive impact. No application is needed. Just let your counselor know that you would like to join. Attention freshmen and sophomores. Are you looking for a class that will set you apart on college applications? Are you wanting to increase your research, writing, and presentation skills? Apply to be a member of the 2020-2021 AP Capstone Cohort. Applications were sent out last week. Contact Mr. Tawny if you have any questions. Like the bare facts, are you looking forward to an awesome yearbook this year? Our amazing yearbook staff would like to encourage you to social distance yearbook style. Find an old yearbook from your parents, look through those yearbooks together, laugh a little bit more, and then share what you find with hashtag Johnston Yearbooks. Stay tuned for information on when our yearbooks will be available for you.
This just in, Mr. Welch is the teacher of the week. Mr. Welch is so dedicated and always wants to help students who need it. He is also flexible and shows a willingness to work with his students. During this quarantine, his students especially appreciate the detail and helpfulness of his lessons, as well as the fact he always prepares them for their test. His good communication skills about upcoming work is especially valued during this time. Thank you, Mr. Welch. We appreciate all that you do.
Well, how fitting that it should come down to these two. Olive in her familiar black, 5 times the champion. Mabel, the rising star, winner last year. You can see how excited they are, but also feel the tension.
Get on with it.
And here it's in the crowd as we near the start of this final. And now they go, Olive away first, but a problem with Mabel's ball. That might cost her now, having to play catch-up. Both settling quickly into rhythm. You can see the contrast in styles. Mabel, heavy tail use, happy to be alive. Everything's amazing. Olive, more steady, wasting little energy. Very much of the old Labrador school. Eating's a serious business. Don't bollocks around wagging your tail. And Mabel seems just a little sluggish here. Perhaps more was taken out of her by the worm medicine she was given last night than we thought. But Olive, focused, relentless, tasting absolutely nothing. Mabel trying, but surely a lost cause. Her title defence coming to an end. Olive taking everything, nothing left but the bowl to lick now. And Mabel, well, doesn't seem too upset. A bit of class there from the youngster, generous in what will surely be defeat, because Olive has won now. She's taken the title back at 7.5. Mabel looking to offer congratulations again to the dog who was her inspiration growing up. Once more, wonderful to see that spirit in the game. What a final we've had here. Great rivals, but great friends. Oh, and you see the swapping of bowls at the end. Join us again tomorrow. Live coverage of a snooze on the sofa, possibly. Bye for now.
Hello, welcome back to the Quarantine Cook Show. My name is Brenda Buckingham. I'm from the East End of London. Some people call me the female version of Gordon Ramsay. But enough of that. Today we're going to be cooking a very special dish, the Queen's favourite, melted chocolate lava cake. It's basically a mini chocolate souffle with a melting inside. It's very lovely and gorgeous. It's super simple and we're going to do it today. Oh, also I'm wearing my office shirt because the British version was better. Let's get to it.
Alright, well the ingredients you're gonna need: 1/2 cup of butter, 1/2 cup of sugar, 1/2 cup of flour, 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and a wee bit of lemon zest right in there, 3/4 cup of chocolate chips, and then you're gonna need 4 eggs. And finally, you're gonna need a cupcake tin. And if you want, 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder and make it more fluffy.
First and foremost, you're going to set your oven, or preheat as you Americans say, to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. We're going to make it super hot. Okay, first of all, you're going to get your butter, you're going to place it in the chocolate chips, and you're going to put that in the microwave for 20 seconds, take a break, put it in for another 20 seconds until it's fully combined. Alright, we just got it out of the microwave. Now we're gonna just mix it up. Right, we might have to put it in for a bit more, like I say, 10 seconds or so. Oh my god, just look at that. Beautiful. I just want to swim in this. Set the chocolate aside for now, and we're going to beat our eggs. Right here, beautiful. Yes, you see that? That's what you should do. Now, we're gonna get our sugar, put it right in here. Now we're gonna get our vanilla and our lemon zest, we're gonna put it in. So next up, we're gonna get our cooled chocolate mixture. We're gonna pour that right in using our dead cool spatula. Very important. And now we're going to move on to the flour. Just like that. Mix it at a low speed so the flour doesn't come and attack you. Got a mixture. Now we're going to put it in our cupcake tin. And of course you can use muffin tins, but the time to cook it will be slightly more. I'm gonna pour these little doors in here. With our preheated oven, we're going to place these in for about 6 minutes, maybe 15 seconds more. Just like that, 6 minutes and start. And while we're waiting, we are going to have ourselves a little tea party. Get my black tea. We get our biscuits. We eat this up as we wait. Alright, we have just gotten these little pops out of the oven. Make sure to turn it off. We don't want your lovely little house burning. Be very careful, just like that. If you want, you can put a little bit of powdered sugar. That's so beautiful. Now for the reveal.
Wow, beautiful.
I mean, may God have mercy on my talent, because this is sinful. Well, that's the end of this episode of Quarantine Cooking. My name is Brenda Buckingham, and thank you for watching.